Hey, this is Michi from Soundbridge. Before we begin the tutorial, please take a moment to like, subscribe and click the notification bell so you're notified every time we release a new video tutorial. Doing so really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm and we appreciate the support. With that said, let's continue with the video recap of our latest blog tutorial where I will show you how to add pitch bend automation to your melodies. Adding depth to a song by using fast pitch bends on a single note or a gradual increase or fall in pitch can be accomplished through the use of pitch bends and sounds. Whether you want to utilize the pitch bend wheel on a MIDI controller or create pitch bends with a mouse, in the next tutorial I will show you a couple of pitch modulation based techniques. I used Vital for this tutorial and created a couple of different synth lead sequences. I made a rather dramatic pitch bending for the first technique, and draw a curve of pitch wheel line in the synth lead sequence MIDI editor. Let's hear how it sounds. For the second technique, I composed a slightly different melody using the previous synth lead sound. This time, I won't need a drastic pitch changes as before, but rather something more subtle. It will suffice to limit the pitch bend range to 1 or 2 semitones for this purpose. Finally, to add vibrato, I used LFO and mod wheel to control pitch changes and again drew a mod wheel line curve in the synth sequence editor. Let's hear how it sounds. Finally, let's hear the synth sequence in the contents of the full mix. I hope you will find this technique interesting, and for a full blog article, please visit our website at soundbridge.io.